Hello everyone, this is Ziaul. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh. Today we are going to discuss on what makes an effective executive. What makes an effective executive is a seminal article written by management consultant Peter F. Drucker, originally published in the Harvard Business School Review. In this article, Drucker identifies several key principles and characteristics that contribute to the effectiveness of executives in organization. So what is effective executive mean? An effective executive is a leader who is able to set a clear vision for the organization, develop and implement a strategic plan, and motivate and inspire their team members to achieve that vision. Effective executives are also able to think strategically, make sound decisions, and manage risks effectively. Effective executives are able to get things done. They are able to lead their organizations to success in a complex and ever-changing world. Why effective executive is important? Effective executives are important because they play a critical role in the success of any organizations. They are responsible for setting the vision, developing strategy, making decisions that will shape the future of their organization. Here, some of the specific benefits of having effective executives in the organization. Increase productivity, profitability, enhance customer satisfaction, strong brand reputation, attraction and retention of top talent, innovation and growth. In today's rapidly changing and competitive business landscape, it is more important than ever to have effective executive at the help. Effective executive can contribute in the organization in many ways. Here are some key points that we may consider for building effective executives in the organization. Number one, setting clear priorities. Effective executives know how to prioritize their task and focus on what is most important. They understand that they cannot do everything and make informed choice about where to invest their time and resources. Time management. Effective executives are skilled at managing their time efficiently. They avoid wasting time on unproductive activities and delegate tasks when appropriate. Effective decision making. They make decisions based on sound understanding of the situations and a clear sense of purpose. They are not afraid to make tough decisions and take calculated risks. Focus on strengths. Effective executives recognize their own strengths and weaknesses as well as the strengths and weaknesses of their team members. They leverage their strengths and complement their weaknesses through collaboration. Concentrating on opportunities rather than problems. They have a proactive mindset and seek out opportunities for growth and improvement rather than dwelling on problems. Innovation and creativity. Effective executives encourage and foster innovation within their organizations. They are open to new ideas and are willing to take risks to drive innovation. Effective communication. They are skilled communicators who can convey their vision and strategies to their teams and stakeholders. They also actively listen and seek feedback. Building and maintaining relationship. The importance of building and maintaining a positive relationship with colleagues, employees, customers, and other stakeholders becomes a good attributes of effective leadership. Developing people. They invest in the development of their team members, helping them to grow and reach to their potentials. Adaptability. They are flexible and adaptable. capable of adjusting their strategies and approaches in response to changing circumstances and market dynamics. Result oriented, very much result oriented. Effective executive focus on achieving concrete results and measures their performance against the specific goals and objectives. Self-management. They have a strong sense of self-discipline and self-control. They avoid distractions and stay committed to their goals. Lifelong learning. Executives are committed to continuous learning and self-improvement. They stay updated on industry trends and best practices. So in addition to these general tips, there are a number of things you can do to develop specific skills and qualities that are important for effective executives. For example, you can take courses, leadership, strategic planning, decision making. You can also read books and articles on these topics, and you can seek out opportunities to mentor and learn from the effective executives. Becoming an effective executive takes time and effort, but it is worthwhile investment. By developing the skills and qualities outlined above, you can lead your organization to succeed and make a positive impact on the world. Of course, no one executive has all these qualities in equal measure, but the more of these qualities an executive possesses, the more likely they are to be successful. Thank you so much. Happy learning.